My name is Arjun. Today I'm going to show you using a simple method how you can filter the values in a table without writing any macros, just using the formula. So here is a final KPI box which you can see, like three metrics I have given here, and there's a filters as well based on the regions. The values are going to be changed, so you can see that. And so let's see how I have done this. And the first there are two data sources I have used. One is orders and one is people. And this is data prep tab where I have taken just for just to show you, I have taken only three KPIs. So one is the sum profit and some quantity which is coming from orders table, and the second one is the person name which is coming from a people table for that region. And so this is useful when you have, let's say, multiple KPIs, let's say around like 50-60 KPIs, and when you have 10 12 data sources. In that case you can do a multiple pivots, and then you can use this kind of things. So now what I have done is, so once pivot is done, and I have used the formulas here to look up the data. So before that, I have taken the drop down boxes that is available in the developer, and if you go to insert, and the first one I have taken, this is combo box. This one you should take, and then after that you need to right click on this once you get it, then go to format control, and there is an input range. So input range is nothing but what all should be there in your filters. So I have pasted here the input, that central, east, south, west. These are the regions I wanted in the filter. So that should be your input range. And V3 is nothing but your index number. So cell links, when you select the let's say south, right, the south is in third number, so it's showing in a V3 the third index number. So that is it. So let's say if I change to east, it will become 2. Yes. So now what I have done is I'm getting the index number. Again, I want this values to be in VLOOKUP, so based on what I'm looking. So I have done an index formula again. So for this, from this range, what is the index number and what the value it is. So I'm looking at the value, it's east, and then I have used east is equal to just is equal to W5 from this cell reference I have given, and based on this I've done a VLOOKUP KPI B5, like that. So or else if you, there is no need to give the columns like east and all, like the region's name, and you can directly use directly link here. Instead of KPI 5 you can directly link to W5, and based upon that you can get the values here. So here is a simple one. I have shown the VLOOKUP. Even this is possible with the index match or anything, let's say if there is a multiple columns and all. And so main thing is, this is just a simple example I'm showing. In case if there is a 50-60 KPIs, or there are some 10-12 data sources, so even in that case also you can do it without writing any VBA macros. Just using the simple Excel method you can use this kind of use this technique. And if you have, let's say, multiple columns, years, quarters and all, and the if there is in rows you have multiple KPIs, so in that case this will be useful. So I hope you understood what I've shown in this video, and thanks for watching.